no. That's a carrot. Watch out. Alright, Jaja.
Watch out, people. Watch out. All our station for the man. Alan, why this not look good? See.
Yeah, first is very upset with us right now. On the furlong, the goal is up and crashing.
The pipe are down.
What's and the pipe is dancing. Tariq said the pipe is dancing.
No, but look, like, the fact that the water reach the pipe level.
Yeah, the water reach the pipe level, that's very high, innit?
Thank God to this. I listen to this call for more, I feel. Yeah.
Watch out. The ones that are bust out from the pipe now. Watch out. See that bust out.
Upset right now. Look at that big splash right there. You know, see Tariq? The big piece of flip up a while ago.
What? Cool.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Watch water pitch. Water soon overflow the Reynolds Road Bridge. Look at water pouring down in the sandy gully.
Boy, water. Me so go take a head as you know. You know. Yeah man, me so go take a head as you know your water there. Look funny. Look funny, good day. So take a head as yeah. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Woo! See that? More time trying to get blood out. Good day. Firm man.
We're all in our kind of problem.
Blaze, you are in our feet, huh?
You want me to come in now? Let's have to know more.
Here is the vehicle that is stuck. He is lucky to be alive. So the entire hillside has come down on it. And it is well and truly trapped. It will have to be dug out. There is no more Tavistock Terrace after you pass 11A. This is it. This is it. Yes. This is the hillside that has come down and trapped his car. And then the river came through the hill where the unlawful cut was made. And that is the river coming down out of the hill, coming right down, tearing away the wall, as was predicted, right down into somebody's house. OMG.
Is that
No, that is the yes, it's the unfinished. Yes, Michael Campbell's unfinished place. Tearing it down, a massive. Go, mommy, no, go further up. Go further up. This is catastrophic. And here's the pole carrying the high tension wires. This will soon come down. 2 poles. But this one is carrying the high tension. This is the high tension right up, see it? And that is about to come down. And there is the edge of Michael Campbell's wall that has been torn down and gone into these premises. This is where the soil testing road, in inverted commas, was done. It has now vanished. And all the material that was cut has come right down into Tavistock. As was predicted. As was predicted. So, this is what the developer, right in front of our home, we saved him from by advising him that anything that came down off the hill into my property would be his responsibility. Well, thank God he stopped. And this is what, just like a warning.
So the road you can actually drive, well, at them put cones here on the road so you can't pass this section because I guess it can undermine. And then there's 2 other sections going around to Newcastle that is still blocked. And the persons them that were in this car, luckily nothing happened to them, but 2 persons were actually in the car. Okay, so give thanks to them, alright, but So I'm going to head back down to the Gantown side now. But I just needed to see what was happening up here.
This is in Chesterfield. This is a corner from on Chesterfield from Marcus Garvey Drive into Seaview Gardens. Right to the stoplight.